guys, I'm Ain. I'm a fourth-year medical student studying here in Wroclaw Medical University. Today I'm going to take you around the Wroclaw Medical University, so come with me. Today we are at the anatomy building where medical students start their very first journey. In this building we have a couple of lecture rooms and also a dissection room where medical students can get hands-on practical training with the cadaver to practice their theoretical and practical skills. Right now, I'm in the Anatomical Museum where you can get an immersive experience of dry specimens like skeletons, bones, to wet specimens of different parts of the body. These mannequins can be your real patients. They can respond to your voice, they can respond to your actions, they will cry or breathe, and they can even make a scenario where you can find a real sick patient where it will be crying from the pain, or they can respond to your injection or to your action. Here we can get a real-life labor room experience. As you can see, we can see the mommy who is ready to give a birth.
The baby's coming!
This mannequin can speak in English and ask help from the doctors and the students. You will also experience the cutting the umbilical cord, taking the baby out, everything that you will see in a real-life labor room. What we can see right here is an ambulance which you will see on the road in everyday life. This is a real ambulance which is equipped with defibrillator and everything that you might need for an emergency situation. Right now, I'm in ICU of the Stimulation Medicine Center. In this room, students will be given a scenario of what they're gonna face in a real ICU. They need to figure out what they're going to do, and at the same time they will get feedback from their teachers from behind the mirror. Right now, I'm in the surgery room of the Faculty of Dentistry. In this room, the teacher will explain what is the treatment plan to the students and displaying what's actually going on this big screen. This will actually help the students improve their practical skills and polish their theoretical skills. The Faculty of Dentistry is offering a wide range of opportunities from highly equipped dental lab to practical training. So if you're a student who wants to study dentistry, this is the perfect place for you. Right now, I'm in a hyperbaric oxygen therapy chamber. What cool thing about this room is if you're a student doing a summer practical training in this hospital, you're accessible to this kind of cool facility. Library is a really important place for every student. Right here in Wroclaw Medical University Library, we can find a wide range of literatures, journals and medical papers. And you can also get private study rooms where you can study individually or in group section. you guys enjoyed my tour today. So if you're planning to study medicine abroad, Wroclaw Medical University is waiting for you with nice opportunities. So see you soon.